How's it going, everybody? Justin Savage here with MarineMax Venice. We're inside the showroom here today, and we have a brand new 15 Montauk sitting in here. This is a great boat, very small to get around the area, but it comes with a lot. So it's a small boat with a big package. So as we start here, you have a Mercury 60 horse command thrust. If you don't know anything about command thrust, it kind of gives you that little extra oomph out of the hole to get you up on plane, which goes a long way on smaller boats like this. If you do have fishing in mind, this one is optioned really well for it. You have rod holders back here, dedicated live well. You don't see that much on the smaller center consoles. You kind of have to stick with a bucket with an aerator, but you got the whole setup here with rod holders if you want to kind of do any kind of trolling or anything like that. Helm seat, you have your gas tank tucked under there. It's nice and secure. Another thing you don't really see too much on these smaller center consoles, you kind of have like a gas tank hanging out somewhere. This one's nice and secure underneath the helm seat, out of sight, out of mind. This is a flip back headrest, or back piece. So if you want to sit down and drive, you can have it fixated like this, or you can move it forward and kind of stand up and drive, which a lot of people like to do. It's a little bit easier. The helm is laid out very nicely. You have your Simrad graph, radio controls, keys obviously right here. You do have a nice gauge with digital readout, and the labeling and everything on the switches is there, so you know what does what. There's no guessing on that. This one does have a JL audio, so you got a couple speakers here, a little bit of storage under here where you'll find your batteries and battery switch. You also have some canvas here and your nav light, nice and secure so it's not flopping around in there. This one does come with a cooler up here that comes with a seat, and you have a nice seat back, so if you have more than one or two passengers in here, everyone's kind of got a spot to sit, and you'll see some rod holders and everything on there too. This is a removable cushion, so you can use this as a casting platform. There is a storage compartment here that you can put your anchor in and anchor line and things like that. So that's out of sight as well. This one is set up with a trolling motor panel. So if you want to option one or put a trolling motor on, it's nice and plug and play. The trailer does come with it. You have a nice spare tire. It's a galvanized trailer. Salt water is not going to do too much damage to it at all when you're splashing this thing in and out. Very well optioned boat. If you like to get out there and you like to fish, this is set up, like I said, very nicely for it. Got a little bit of storage here for some tackle as well. Come on into Venice. We'll show you around. They make a 17 and 19, so you have quite a few options to choose from, but this one's set up nice and it's definitely a fan favorite for the area. Look forward to seeing you guys.